So you got News24, which is a massively respected brand in South Africa with huge reach, and then you got Lula, who are super passionate about SMEs and what they do for the country, and bringing them together really allows us to put SMEs into the spotlight, which is incredibly necessary. They're the backbone of our country and they deserve their achievements to be highlighted.
It's important for us to remind people that the most successful economies in the world have strong small business sectors. That's where the innovation comes from, that's where the growth comes from, that's where the wealth creation comes from.
The big thing for me for SMEs is to be brave, to take that next step, to be calculated in their risk, but to ultimately shoot for the moon and not hold themselves back.
I think it's important for us to remind people that when they support small businesses, they're actually growing the economy.
Small businesses are really the powerhouse behind what makes South Africa such a wonderful country in terms of how we serve customers. And I believe that showcasing them and making South Africans more aware of the difference that they make really showcases their bravery, showcases the impact. And it is really a responsibility of media to ensure that people realize that it's not just the big guns, it's really the small guys that make the big difference.
How does it feel to be recognized as one of South Africa's best SMEs?
Well, it's affirming. It's, it's just a pat in the back to say, you know what, girl, you're doing it. And whatever you're doing right. And keep working hard. There are people that appreciate what you're doing. It's actually not just for me. I think it's for my employees. They'll also be very happy about this. So the real owners and the real hard workers of the business are the women at the factory.
Just standing at the top of the world right now in one of the most beautiful cities in the world, and really to be here and say it's a testament. As women, we can certainly be proud in that we're playing a role in the built environment. We're playing a role, and particularly in transforming our country, and we're leading. So yeah, absolute validation. We're not just doing what we're doing for South Africa, but we're doing it for the continent.
So it's with great pleasure that I announce our business networker of the year, and that's Nisha Maraj, CEO of Niche Integrated Solutions.
I am delighted to have accepted this award on her behalf. As a female-led company, I think it's a great achievement on her behalf.
I've always been somebody who believes that when you bring human beings together, wonderful things happen. And I think that technology should bring us closer together, not leave us feeling more isolated. It's a fantastic evening. Thank you so much to News24 and to Lula. We believe in the same things, that is community and uplifting each other and abundance and the opportunities for women to lead SMEs that really make a difference in our communities.